Previously.
For today's video, mag-DIY tayo gamit ang motor. Oh, backpack, shoot, So guys, this is the view. Meron snorkeling area. Nag-ano tayo, sentimental. Hindi ito motivational speech guys, or sentimental speech. Okay guys, so we are done here. Let's go to our next stop, Miss Restaurant.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim.
So guys, this is the Miss Restaurant. Ayan. So we are now here on our third stop, Miss Restaurant. We're gonna have our lunch, so you can park your motorbike over there. Time check, it's 7 minutes before 2 PM at wala masyadong tao dito. Ayan. Mas magandang lighting dito guys. Social dito guys, yung menu nila naka iPad mini. So since lunchtime at marami tayong ginawa, mukhang magtatry tayo ng iba't ibang dishes. And by the way guys, all prices are inclusive of VAT and subject to 10% service charge. Isa akong pyro pork and then isa akong deep fried noodle. Tapos try ko na rin to chicken wings. Pwedeng garlic parmesan pero wag nang lagyan ng parmesan, garlic lang. And then milk tea. Yun lang. Thank you. So sa lunch natin guys, meron tayong pork, meron tayong chicken, meron tayong beef noodles, tapos milk tea.
Sip your chai, you got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright. So just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on a Saturday, wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way. No one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody else. Everyone knows you're doing well, so well, yeah. Not a worry in the world, you ain't scared of nothing. You a boss kind of girl, you got all you wanted. Earned yourself a quick break in the morning. If someone tells you otherwise, give them warning. Don't let yourself be restrained. Own yourself and just walk away. Away, yeah, yeah. Just one look in your eyes and I know I found who I'm looking for. It's the way that you smile that get every smile. 'Cause I see the.
So hey guys, nasa The Miss tayo. The Miss talaga. Miss lang pala. In fairness, may mga ganun yung mga waiter dito. May mga ganun talaga. Parang 5-star agad dito guys. Tapos.
You got nothing to hide. That your future's so bright. So just smile like there's no one watching. Ooh, don't you know that everybody wants to be your love, love. Ooh, don't you know, yeah, that I never thought I'd fall under your spell.
Okay guys, so we are here sa 3rd floor ng Miss Restaurant and time check it's 2 PM. So wala pa masyadong kumakain guys, siguro kasi katatapos lang yung lunch time. Pero look at the view. Look at the view guys. And in fairness ang ganda ng concept nila dito. The interior and exterior. Tapos wood and then Instagrammable yung place nila. So pwede kayo mag-emote Ayan, look, we are on the 3rd floor. May 2nd floor, may 1st floor. And every floor guys, may mga waiter na assign para at least, diba, pag may mga kailangan kayo, madaling tawagin. And isa pa dito guys, may mga itsura yung mga waiter nila. So, ito. So alam na guys, 5-star agad. Sabi nila kasi sa mga reviews, overrated daw itong Miss. Parang hindi. Parang hindi naman. 5-star, okay na yan. Char. Walang tikim-tikim ng food. 5-star agad. Char. Ayan si Kuya. Ayan guys, baba na tayo. Baka nandun na yung food natin. So meron tayong beef noodles, meron tayong pork with rice, tapos may chicken. Yeah.
Chicken garlic
and chicken
without rice.
Thank you.
Enjoy po.
Salamat. So this is chicken garlic parmesan, pero pinatanggal ko yung parmesan.
Ready na po.
Ang hot naman, ang hot ni Kuya. What? Yun. Yun. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. With milk tea from Miss Cafe and Resto. So meron na tayong pork, meron tayong chicken. We have the noodles na. Meron din tayong milk tea, Miss Cafe and Restaurant. And again, sabi nga daw nila, overrated dito. Tapos palagi daw maraming tao. So siguro after lunch kayo pumunta or before lunch para hindi ganun karaming tao. Katulad ngayon guys, today is Sunday, 2 PM and wala masyadong tao. Pero I think mas maganda rin dito guys pumunta kapag gabi. Let's try. Bon appetit. Okay, so ito yung kanilang pork roll. Wow. Try natin ng walang rice. Tender and juicy. Kanina pa kasi guys sinerve itong pork roll. So, yung balat, hindi na ganun kalutong. Pero in fairness guys, masarap siya. Tender and juicy. Tapos let's try with rice. Rice. Grabe yung meat, natutunaw. So, masarap siya with rice. Para hindi kayo maumay, mag-rice kayo guys. Ito yung balat. Crunchy pa rin. In fairness. Must try, pork roll. Crunchy pa rin yung balat guys. Siyempre guys, hindi ko naman maubos lahat to. So, papatake out natin. Para meron na tayong dinner. So, let's try their milk. Guys, hindi ako magsisinungaling. Masarap siya. Hindi ganun katamis, pero mas masarap siya pag sobrang lamig. Hindi na kasi siya malamig, pero masarap. Yung pork pa lang natitikman ko. Tapos ito, parang, again, siguro depende sa panlasa niya, pero masarap. Ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko, it is a must try. Itong Miss Cafe and Restaurant. Kapag nasa Bohol kayo, dito na kayo mag-breakfast or mag-lunch or mag-dinner. Then guys, look. Crunchy. Try naman natin yung chicken nila. This is the garlic chicken. Meron kasi guys sa mga chicken na pag-garlic medyo maalat. Masarap na guys, malasa. Hindi ganun katapang yung garlic. Okay na siya. Yun nga lang guys, medyo ma-oily. Crispy. Pero yun nga lang ma-oil. For the taste, hindi ka masarap din siya with rice. Kung titikman nyo siya ng walang rice, mas mapatil nyo yung pagka-oil. Pero with rice guys, perfect combination. Ang crunchy ng balat, may mga garlic tidbits na nilagay pero hindi mo malalasan, hindi maalat. Actually guys, yung mga meal nila dito, good for 2 to 3 person. Nabigla ako order ng pork, beef noodles at saka chicken. Pero iti-take out ko na lang. Masarap! In fairness guys sa chicken, sobrang hilig ko sa chicken. Favorite ko chicken. Lalo ng chicken wings. Try nyo rin. Try the pork roll. Try the chicken wings. And now we are going to try the beef noodle. Good job sa mga waiter dito attentive and accommodating. It is a plus sa mga ganitong katulad ng mga cafe and restaurants. Maganda rin yung idea na every floor may mga naka-assign na waiters, waitress, so parang hindi nahihirapan mag-akit na ba yung mga staff. Grabe Miss Cafe and Restaurant, good job. Ang sarap ng food, ang ganda ng interior, ang ganda ng concept ninyo sa restaurant ninyo, and yung mga staff accommodating and attentive. And we're gonna try. And guys, malaman. In fairness, yung mga beef. So, dito tayo magkakasubukan kasi may mga noodles na maalat. Try muna natin yung beef. Wait lang. Try muna natin yung pansit. Ayan. Sakto lang. Naalala nyo guys yung breakfast natin kanina na beef brisket noodles tayo. Palagi ko ito nakikita guys sa mga convenience store. Beef brisket. Sakto lang. Sakto naman yung tubig ko. Actually, konti pa nga Hindi ko malasahan yung pagka-beef. Ayun pala guys, kaya wala siyang lasa. Merong sa seasoning powder na hindi ko na ilagay kasi nasa ilalim. Natakpan siya ng noodles. So nakita ko na lang nung paubos ko na yung sabaw. So kaya siguro walang lasa. Tapos ito, nag-beef noodles tayo. Hindi siya maalat in fairness. Try natin yung noodles with beef. Pwede guys, masarap. So guys, sa laki ko to, baka magkaroon kayo ng trust issue sa akin na sabihin nyo lahat ng pagkain masarap. Well, hindi guys, maarte ako sa pagkain. Sabihin ko talaga kung masarap or hindi. Katulad na lang yung kinainan ko kagabi guys, na parang all meat ako. Yung all meat na yun, may chicken and may grilled pork. Hindi siya masarap. Hindi ko lang nakuhaan. Guys, when you visit Bohol, hindi pwedeng hindi nyo bibisitahin itong Miss Cafe and Restaurant. I'm not paid to do this guys. This is not sponsored. This is my honest feedback and review sa food na serve nila. Dahil na rin, sinasabi ng mga nakikita ko sa YouTube, nakikita ko sa Facebook na masyado daw overrated itong restaurant. But, no. It's a no. Babay kayo. Siguro nagkaroon kayo ng ibang experience na pumunta kayo dito. Pero based on my experience, well, 5-star ang rating ko sa kanila. Kabait ni ate nung nagsaserve sa atin. So, malapit na ako mabusog. Gagawin natin, papa-take out natin para meron tayong dinner at meron pa tayong breakfast for tomorrow. So guys, pagdating naman sa pansit, lalo yung pansit canton na payless, guys, nakakatatlong sachet pag kumakain ako. Hindi natin naubos yung rice, almost half yung rice lang na nakain natin. So, ayan guys, hindi natin naubos yung food natin. Half rice lang yung nakain natin. And ito yung mga natira. Nakadalawang peraso ako dito. Chicken wings. Tapos, ayan. Nakarami din ako ng noodles. And then, yung pork roll, naka-isang peraso. Tapos ito guys, masarap siya pag malamig. So, overall rating natin guys, masarap. Hindi ako nagsisinungaling guys. Based on my taste bud, based on my experience, 5 stars sa akin tong restaurant na to. Ay nako, try nyo dito. So, papatake out ko na lang yan guys. Actually, aabot pa yan hanggang bukas. Bibili na lang akong rice sa 7-Eleven. Meron na tayong dinner later, tapos breakfast tomorrow. O, diba? So, take out na tayo, and then bill out. Actually guys, hindi nakakapanghinayang magbigay ng tip dito. Kaso may 10% service charge na sila. Pero we'll see. Mabilis ako nabusog guys. Ang dami natin nakain, pero mabilis nabusog pa yun. Anyway, kasi pagdating ko dito, nakadalawang glass of water agad ako. Kaya siguro. So, after nito guys, papahinga muna tayo kasi yung lakad natin is mamayang gabi pa. Guys, ang service charge nila is 135 lang. Total bill natin ay 1,652. Yung chicken wings ay 299. Tapos yung pyro pork roll, 699. Yung beef fried noodle, 299. Yung milk tea, 180. Tapos yung plain rice, 40. Total of 1,652 kasama yung service charge and VAT. Tapos yung service charge guys is 135 lang. Dagdagan natin. Actually guys, kahit saan ako magpunta, basta nagustuhan ko yung service, parang automatic nabibigay ako ng tip guys. Kahit sa mga tour, kahit saan akong lugar. I know, bayad sila dito. Pero syempre, di ba? They deserve. So ito, bibigyan natin ng tip. I'm not sure kung diretso sa kay ate or pag-hati-hatian nila. Pero magbibigay tayo ng 300 pesos. Baka sabihin nyo, papakitang gilas ako kasi naka-vlog ako. Pero hindi. Ganun talaga ako guys. Hindi tayo pwedeng maawa, pero nakakatuwa. Kahit anong trabaho, they're doing their best. The place itself, ang ganda. Pwede ka magpa-picture. Pwede nga ito maging venue ng kasal. O reception. Okay na. Ate. Thank you ha. Ayan guys, we are done here. Pagbalik natin, kailangan natin mag-helmet kasi along-along na malapit may mga police at baka mahuli tayo. So let's go. We are done here. Thank you Miss Cafe and Restaurant for the wonderful food, amazing food and hospitality. Ayan. Babalik ako dito guys. Pag bumalik ako sa Bohol, hindi pwedeng hindi ako makapag-dine ulit dito sa restaurant na to. Sobrang ganda ng service, sobrang sarap ng food. So now we are going back to our accommodation sa Liyux Hotel. And then later, mga siguro around 5 PM, may pupuntahan tayo ulit. So pahinga muna tayo, magbabanlaw lang ako. And then see you later. Kasama pa rin guys sa ating day 2, sa ating DIY with motorbike. Okay, see you later guys. 2 hours later. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa North Zen Villas. Our last stop or last destination sa ating day 2 DIY with motorbike. So pasok lang tayo, hanapin lang natin ang kanilang reception. And then, tayo magbabayad ng 198 pesos. Hello po. Kuya, pwedeng mag-walk-in dito ng bamboo walk?
Yes po sir.
Saan pwedeng magbayad?
Dito po sir.
Ito. Okay,
May
thank
bar
you.
din po tayo sa bamboo sir.
Doon na rin mismo?
Opo, may bar
sige.
po. Okay na po ngayon.
Sige kuya, thank you. Hanggang ano oras? Allowed?
Hanggang 7 po.
7?
Yes po.
Sige. Thank you kuya.
Welcome po.
Ayan, abutan natin ng sunset. Hello.
Hi sir.
Walk-in ako sa bamboo. So guys, habang nagbabayad tayo, isisingit ko na lang din pala na dito sa North Zen Villas, aside from Klook, kung saan kayo pwedeng kumuha ng pass for the entrance, meron din kayong option na mag-walk-in with the same amount, which is 198 pesos. Tapos, you will get an access to North Zen Villas 500-meter bamboo walk. Yung opening hours pala guys ng bamboo walk nila ay 6 AM up to 10 PM. Pero yung mismong restaurant na located sa dulo ay hanggang 7 PM lang. But I would suggest guys na mag-book kayo sa Klook kasi you can use my promo code MarkParagas for an instant discount. Plus, if you have kids or children 0 to 6 years old, free of charge na siya guys, but must be accompanied by an adult. So now, we are inside the North Zen Villas. So we will go there, that way. Yung bungalow restaurant nila. And then nandun na yung kanilang 500-meter bamboo walk. Tapos yung binayad yung entrance guys na 198, yung 100 pesos doon is consumable. Pwede nyo gamitin ito sa bar mismo, sa dulo ng Bamboo Walk. Up to 7 PM only. Yung restaurant nila doon and bar. Pero yung experience for the Bamboo Walk until 10 PM. So ito na yung kanilang restaurant. Ang kanilang resto. And look at this. Oh my God. Look, wait. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Wow, so amazing. Nice view. Dito na talaga guys yung sunset. Ayan, and look, oh. They have a horse. A horse! Bamboo Walk 500 meters. Merong nest rest. Ganda dito guys. Look, oh. Mangrove. So sabi dito, ayan, basahin natin. Sabi dyan, there are two types of mangroves you can find here. Yung Rhizophoria apiculata or yung bakhaw lalaki, and Rhizophora moconata, bakhaw babae. Taray guys, mga mangroves, oh. Look at that. Diba? Nice. This is nice. So habulin natin yung sunset guys. You will experience this guys. This amazing view. Mangroves for 198 only. Oh no. Sabi dito, these dead mangroves were due to lightning strike. Oh my God. So tinamaan sila ng kidlat. So I guess they are not allowing guests kapag may bagyo or maulan due to lightning. Oh, diba? No mangroves were cut during the construction of the Bamboo Walk. In fairness, the largest amount of mangroves coverage can be found in Indonesia. May mga utaw kasi sa likod guys. What? I heard someone. Hello? Did you hear that guys? I heard the voice of the baby. Not actually a baby guys, a kid. May narinig akong bata. May mga utaw kasi sa likod guys. I know I heard a voice. I don't know if there's a bird like yung parang mga parrot na nakakapagsalita. Pero anyway, I'm not scared. Hello, tabi-tabi na lang ko. And ako'y mag-vlog.
I know you're waiting till the morning comes, my bed. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight. Told you so many times, don't wanna look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside, it burns me out. She wonder how I leave you. There's no tears, my love, never cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect size for another one. And you and I believe everyone talk to me. If I like.
Sabi dito guys, mangroves are unique because unlike any other trees, they can tolerate salt water. This means they can grow near or even in salty water.
Now I get this moment conversation, and tonight I don't wanna be alone to take the blame myself. For just so many times, but never look back. Do I break your heart? What I feel inside breaks me down and burns me out. Left to nevermore. She wonder how I leave you. There's no peace, my love, never cries anymore. Now I leave you.
Okay, so ito yung kanilang bar guys na pwede nyo i-consume yung 100 pesos na dyan. And yun yung parang pinaka-docking point kung saan pwede kayo magpa-picture. So guys, we are now dito sa pinakadulo ng Bamboo Walk. North Zen. Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hello. Welcome to Buhon. So ayan guys, ito na yung pinakadulo ng Bamboo Walk. This is a 500 meter long na ino-offer ng North Zen Villas. So actually pwede rin kayo dito guys mag-stay kung gusto niyo. Kasama na dito, may swimming pool sila, meron din silang ganitong experience. Sobrang ganda guys. Sunset view. So guys, so look. Pwede kayong bumaba doon. Ayan. Pwede kayong bumaba doon para magpa-picture. Or pwede kayong sa restaurant tumambay. And yung restaurant nila guys, yung bar, is hanggang 7 PM lang. Pero itong mismong bamboo walk na to is until 10 PM. So pwede kayong magpang-abot hanggang gabi dito kung gusto nyo. Look. Mahangin dito guys. Don't worry na baka sabihin nyo baka mainit. Look at that. Look at the view. Look at this Instagrammable. Yung place na to. Di pa ako nakakapunta dun guys, pero mukhang same lang naman ng view. So habang dito tayo, syempre pagkukwentuhan tayo guys. Ayan, sobrang nakaka-relax yung hangin, yung katahimikan kahit na maraming turista na nagpupunta dito guys. O diba, nakakatuwa. Itong North Zen Villas, may ganun silang parang facilities or amenities na ino-offer for 198 pesos, diba? Not bad kasi yung 100 doon, consumable naman sa bar nila. So pag inabot kayo ng gabi dito, don't worry kasi may mga walk lights. Let's enjoy the moment guys. As in, yung kahit ganito lang, relax ka lang, chill, looking at the sunset, tapos tahimik. So napapansin nyo guys, sobrang daming tao. Ayan sila, pero tahimik. And most of the tourists guys na nandito, actually kahit hindi lang dito sa North Zen, dito sa Bohol, grabe ang daming Koreans. Tapos yung mga Pinoy, konti lang talaga yung pupunta dito as a tourist. I don't know why, pero ang ganda ng Bohol guys, ang dami yung mapupuntahan. Kahit nung pumunta ko dito na last February, nung nagpanglaw tour tayo, nag-countryside tour, even the island hopping, karamihan talaga Koreans. Parang gustong-gusto nilang Pilipinos guys, pagbakasyonan. Mamaya-maya didilim na dito guys, pero ayun, if you want to experience this view guys, amazing view na ino-offer ni North Zen Villas, just go to Klook or you can do walk-in. It's the same price. Pero kung magkuklok kayo guys, lalabas na 129 pesos na lang and 60 cents yung babayaran nyo kapag ginamit nyo yung promo code natin, Mark Paragas. That's MARKPARAGAS. This is our last stop for our day 2 dito sa Bohol, DIY with motorbike. So recap lang tayo. Ang ginawa natin, pagising natin kaninang umaga, nag-rent tayo ng motor for 350 pesos. That's for 24 hours. Unang pinuntahan natin guys ay Hinagdanan Cave. And yung Hinagdanan Cave guys is part of Panglao Tour. Kaso nung nagpanglaw tour tayo before, hindi tayo nag-try maligo. Pero nakapunta tayo ng Hinagdanan Cave, nakapag-video tayo. This time, naligo tayo. 50 pesos for the entrance fee. At kung maliligo kayo, that's additional 75 pesos. That will make it 125 pesos for the total. And after nun, nag-Cliff Dive Resort tayo. Again, sorry, I forgot the name. Parang nakita ko kasi parang Molave, Cliff Dive Resort. Ang entrance fee ay 50 pesos. Pero kung gagamit ka ng mga snorkeling gear, I think 100 pesos. Naligo tayo. Medyo may times doon na nagdadrama tayo. Hindi naman nagdadrama. So parang mapaparealize ka sa life. And then, after nun, dumiretso na tayo sa Miss Cafe Restaurant, which is, I will rate them 5-star guys. Sobrang babait ng mga staff. Tapos yung mga food, masarap. Tapos nag-decide ako dumiretso dito sa last stop natin, which is the North Zen Villas. So dito sa North Zen Villas, ang ino-offer nila guys is yung view, sunset view, and the 500-meter bamboo walk. O diba? Tataray. Kasi makatitig tong mga Koreans ito, kala mo. Char lang. Let's be friendly. If ever guys, mapupunta kayo ng Bohol at wala kayong maisip na gagawin, tapos may free time kayo, I highly suggest na gayahin nyo na lang yung ating DIY with motorbike. So if ever hindi naman kayo marunong magmotor or may kasama kayo marunong magmotor, then pwede nyo gayahin yung mga ginawa natin guys. Nakaka-relax guys. Parang ayoko na umalis. Parang actually parang gusto kong umupo, pero mukhang hindi siya matibay. Ayan. Hindi siya matibay dun sa dulo guys. So, that's really it. And I hope na-enjoy nyo again yung ating video for today. Guys, kung first time nyo sa channel ko, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos natin. And thank you guys for always supporting my channel. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. And sooner or later, dadami rin yung subscribers natin. And marami rin mag-e-enjoy sa mga pinagagawa natin, sa mga vlogs. And so more travel vlogs and more fun. Ingat kayo palagi guys kung nasan man kayo. And then shout out sa mga friends natin in Norway, friends natin sa Canada, sa US, dito sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much guys. So that's it. See you on my next Bohol vlog. Mwah.